Welcome back, everyone. Today I'll be showing you exactly how to use OneDrive offline on your Windows 11 or Mac device. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to make your important files available even when you don't have internet access, which is a total lifesaver for travelers, remote workers, or anyone who just needs absolute peace of mind. So let's jump right in and turn the cloud into your pocket. First, we're going to open up your OneDrive folder. On a Windows 11 computer, this means launching File Explorer. That's the little folder icon you'll usually find on your taskbar, or you can hit the Windows key and E together. On a Mac, go ahead and open Finder. You'll see OneDrive listed in your sidebar if you've got it set up. Remember, OneDrive automatically integrates with both Windows and Mac, so all your cloud files are right there alongside the rest of your documents. Now, once you're in your OneDrive folder, find the specific file or folder that you know you'll want access to, even when you might be offline. Maybe it's a work project, travel itinerary, or a folder full of personal photos, whatever you need when Wi-Fi is out of reach. Right-click that file or folder. If you're on a Mac, you might be using two fingers on the trackpad or control-clicking, but the principle is the same. A menu pops up with some options. Here, the magic step. Look for and select Always Keep on this device. On Windows, this option shows up with a little cloud icon and a checkmark, while on Mac, it's similar wording. What this is actually doing is telling OneDrive, hey, I need this file with me at all times, even when the internet decides to take a break. It's a bit like setting aside emergency snacks. You don't always need them, but you'll be thankful when you do. Now let's double check that it worked. After you select Always Keep on this device, you'll notice the status icon next to your file changes. Originally, OneDrive files just hanging out in the cloud display a little blue cloud symbol, meaning they're only available online. When you enable offline access, that cloud turns into a solid green circle with a clean white checkmark inside. That new icon is your visual confirmation. Your chosen files are safely downloaded and stored right on your computer. If you see this green checkmark, you're good to go. But here's an important detail. Anything you now do to this file, add notes, edit spreadsheets, whatever your workflow is, can be done without being online. OneDrive will hold on to those changes until you're back on the internet. And once you reconnect, OneDrive springs into action and automatically syncs everything up to the cloud, making sure you never miss a beat and all your devices stay up to date. It's like having a diligent assistant quietly handling everything in the background so you don't have to worry. And that's it. Using OneDrive offline is really just a few clicks, but it can make a huge difference when you need your files no matter where you are or how the Wi-Fi is behaving. If you found this walkthrough helpful, give it a thumbs up to let me know, and if you have questions or get stuck on any step, don't hesitate to ask down in the comments. I'm always happy to help. Make sure to subscribe for more easy, practical tech tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.